welcome to my channel. I'm sorry guys, I'm off for a while because I'm busy at school. So here I am with my another unboxing video.
So what are you gonna unbox today?
So I'm gonna unbox a Poopsie slime. Oh, it's here.
Oh, what is that? What a Poopsie slime is?
Poopsie slime with a slime in a toy. And you can decorate it with glitters and designing things. So can I unbox it now? This is it. We're gonna unbox it. I'm opening it. Thank you. Can I open it now? I want to open this first. Okay. Yeah, it smells good. Oh, it comes with an extraction. Yeah, it's stinky inside. I don't know how to do this. Leave it there. I'm gonna open it one by one. So let's start with the biggest. Oh my gosh.
Be careful with your scissors.
Yes. Oh, it's a juice box. I knew it. Oh. Smells good too. Next is with the little baby. This, I think this will be the, I don't know what it is. What's inside of it? It's, I think this is, it's a butterfly kitchen, so you can put the slime in it. It smells so good. So cute. What's this? Oh, it's a car. So let's open the fourth. It's the spoon. Yeah. It's gold. So cute. It's okay. Oh, what's this? I don't know what's this now. I think this one is the scents. Okay. And what should I open next? I think I can open this one because I don't know what's this. What's this? Why did I open this? It's like sprinkle things that you can put in the slime. Why did I open it? Why did I open it? the slime already. So stretchy. What's this? Very big. Oh, it's shiny. It's metallic. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna put it inside the butterfly. I think I'll just put this first before I put the others. What's that? Okay, I think this one should fit right. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys like my video and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the bell. Bye! Mwah.